Traditional facial sequence, eye and lip cleanse. Dispense 1 pump of eye cleanser onto 3 damp cotton rounds. Rub 2 cotton rounds together to activate the product and place them over the eyes. Use the 3rd cotton round to cleanse the lips. Wipe over the eyes with damp fibrella to remove any remaining product. First cleanse. Perform the first cleanse. Box press cleanser over the face, neck and deck. Cleanse the face, neck and deck, and then remove the cleanser with warm water and fibrella. Replace the water and perform a second cleanse using the same procedure as the first cleanse. Switch on the steamer and then perform a skin analysis. Exfoliation. Apply exfoliant using box press, ensuring the steamer is directed to the center of the face. Remove the steamer from the face and remove the exfoliant using warm, wet fibrella. Remove excess exfoliant using a hot towel. Perform a facial massage. Apply massage oil using box pressing technique to the area. Bring the massage to a close and remove the massage oil with a hot towel. When all the massage oil has been removed from the skin, apply the mask, working from the forehead, down the sides of the face, across the cheeks, the chin and the nose. Finish off with application of mask to the neck and the décolletage. Pop eye pads over the eyes. When the mask has been on for the desired period of time, remove the eye pads and then remove the mask using your hot towels. Finish off the procedure with an application of the relevant serums, moisturizers and sunscreen. The facial is now complete.